Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials fast. Power the headset and phone, then sign into the same Meta account so data syncs immediately. Once charged and connected, put the headset on and follow the inside-out tracking tutorial to set your dominant hand and guardian boundary. Make sure to adjust IPD and strap fit now so visuals stay crisp. These first steps establish safe tracking and account continuity. Once done, you're ready to move into controller pairing and content setup without losing time. Next, you'll pair controllers and refine environment settings that determine how you interact. Follow on-screen prompts to pair both controllers. If tracking jitters, swap fresh AA batteries or repair. Then redraw the guardian boundary. Choose room scale for movement, stationary for seated experiences, and set the floor height precisely to avoid drift. Adjust comfort options. Pass-through intensity, hand tracking on or off, and refresh rate for smoother motion. These choices shape immersion and reduce motion sickness, so take a moment to tune them purposefully. To finish, install essential apps and enable automatic updates so your Quest stays current without manual checks. Test a short demo app to confirm visuals, audio, and controller responsiveness, and use accessibility to calibrate microphone and voice commands. If you encounter tracking or controller drop issues, reboot the headset, rerun Guardian, and confirm firmware is up to date. Also check room lighting. Avoid strong backlight or reflective surfaces. If problems persist, factory reset is last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.